Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about Veho Driver Got DDo'd. So recently I got an email from one of my subscribers. Hector, thank you so much for emailing me about this and making this video possible. Now, I'm gonna be real, this was sent to me a long time ago, during the time in which I was having a bit of an issue with Veho, so I've kind of put it on the back burner. That's my fault. My second thought was, why would they put the CEO on the back of a car? And third, I feel this is a great time to talk mad crap. So with that said, we are talking about everything that is being said in this email, how it actually is for Veho drivers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. This is as funny as incredible. A Jacksonville, Florida driver got DDo'd by an unknown subject, most probably related for him temporarily parking in a prohibited zone. Yeah, sometimes we have to make parking for ourselves, regardless of how you do it. And yes, a lot of people have issues with that, but especially because we're using personal vehicles and not delivery vehicles, so there's a lot less understanding in that regard. But that also said, that's crazy to me. That is so funny. Someone posted his van driving around downtown Jacksonville with a big red DDoT on the back of his van on the Nextdoor social media. And the video has become viral. You can confirm it in his video. It actually happened. I guess it's cheaper than a ticket. Yeah, I would have been more upset with a ticket, and I definitely would have gotten a laugh out of that. And I would definitely call the DDoT the CEO of Veho at that point.
You guys are not going to believe what I found when I was in downtown Jacksonville today. You are not going to believe this, guys. This is freaking amazing. Absolutely amazing. Let me show you right now. What the hell is this doing on my car? Are they trying to call me a dick? Are they trying to say I could use this for something? What the hell is the meaning of this?
Talk about micromanagement from your CEO being all over your back like that. The meaning of it seems to be that you probably shouldn't be parking there. But then again, that cost a lot less than a ticket. In fact, you probably gained more value by getting the CEO of the company on the back of your car as opposed to a ticket on the front of it. So good on whoever gave that to you. How'd they manage to get him in the car, though? Not to mention, the other question I have is, why does it say student driver on the back of the car? Like, are you also, like, teaching kids how to drive, too? Like, is that another side gig of yours? Or is that just for personal protection of, like, a cop going, okay, maybe I'll let the kid off easy because he's a new driver? Like, I would love to know the mindset behind that, if there's a mindset at all. Now, I know that there's going to be a lot of people in the comments being like,
you're being such a jerk. You don't even know the CEO of the company like that.
Any CEO that scams their own drivers, basically doesn't pay people for returning packages, punishes people for doing the gig right, builds a system that basically promotes stealing packages as opposed to returning them, and at the end of the day, deactivates you for calling them out on their nonsense. Yeah, they're the fucking dildos, I'll tell you what. If you don't know what I'm talking about with that, I made a video talking all about that as well. I will leave that in the description. Feel free to check that out. Anyway, this was just a fun find from a fun subscriber, so I appreciate that. If you guys also want to email me about something that's going on in your area, my email is drivenwyld@gmail.com. Feel free to email me there. And who knows, maybe you'll get a shout out in a video as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!